Hi there, this is Derek Murphy of creativity.com. I want to welcome you to this site, which is DIYbookformats.com. I basically made this site to share some book formatting templates that I've made in Microsoft Word and also in InDesign so that you can begin to format your own books for print and ebook without hiring an expensive designer. I started this several years ago. I've gotten tens of thousands of downloads on the free package. I also have upgraded to a newer package of templates that have more styles and font choices for particular genres. There's also a bunch of free tutorials and tutorial videos about formatting. The problem with formatting is that it's always kind of a difficult learning curve. It's really not a lot of fun. However, if you publish a lot of books, it also doesn't make sense to spend. The average is $100, but it can go to $250 pretty easily if you're hiring a professional designer, and that's not to mention, custom images or complicated nonfiction design with lots of tables or footnotes or whatever. I've spent, I think, $600 formatting my first nonfiction book. And if you're publishing a lot, you definitely need to figure out ways to lower your costs so that you get into the profit faster. I talk a lot about self-publishing on my main blog, which is creativity.com, where I also have, I think, 5 free books now on publishing. But if you sign up, you can download the free package and see if that works for you. There are, I think, 5 basic formatting templates that have at least 5 different options, so you can mix and match the styles, learn to DIY with all of the tutorial videos, and you'll be in a pretty strong position to finish your own formatting without pulling your hair out, which is really common. I had also made a video about warning against Fiverr.com because there were service providers on Fiverr.com who were just blatantly taking my screenshots from my templates and selling them as a service on Fiverr. I've even found other book formatting service providers on the internet with their own websites who are also using my images in their gallery. So with self-publishing, you just have to be kind of aware of, especially with design, just because someone says they can do it and just because they have images that look pretty good doesn't actually mean that they are capable of providing the services. And if it looks like a really good deal and it's really cheap, it might work out for you, but it may actually not. Design is really important, which is why I put this website together, because I really want to help authors to get this part right. It's not the main thing. I'm also a cover designer. You can check out DIYbookcovers.com, where I have a lot of stuff over there about cover design. But it is going to be one of the big struggles and challenges that you need to figure out if you're looking into self-publishing and you want a professional looking product. If you sign up down below, you'll get the free templates. You'll also get a whole bunch of emails and free books about self-publishing, writing, marketing. I have a lot of resources I put together over the last few years. So you can consume those as much as you want, or you could just get started with the free stuff and the templates if that's all you need right now. I hope that my resources help, and best of luck publishing your book. Bye-bye, and thanks.